last week after Chris and I got done with 3 at 3, about Wednesday, she says, Kyle, come here. I've got this thing. I want you to go home and make it and have it all ready for Tuesday. I was like, whoa, I got like 5 days to get it done. So I did. So this weekend, I got it out. It was not bad at all. Let me show you what this is. Oh. It's called the So Organized. I was going to fill it. Darn it. Who doesn't need to have a place to put all of your supplies?
Let's fill it together.
Okay, that's a good idea. So this is what I made.
I'm just going to hand her stuff.
Okay, and I'm going to put them in there. I'll put that right there. Some glue.
Some electrical tape.
Just in case. Okay.
Some pins.
Pins, yep, because there's a pin cushion on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Man, look at all this.
Oops, I missed one. Ow, I just stuck myself.
Maybe I poked your toe. Let's see what else we have here.
I know. Oh, nope, that's a bit. Oh, tweezers.
Oh, my heck. This is so fun. Oh, what every sewer needs in their sewing room. A dry erase marker.
It better not touch my fabric. Okay. Pins. You need
safety
one of these
pins.
Safety pins. You need one of these when you're doing it. I have to also tell you, this is for like your pens.
Yes.
So up here.
What about this?
Ruler. Nope, I've got too
much stuff in there already.
Pockets.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, but I'm going to tell you something that we discovered. You put a seam so it's divided into 3 pockets, but if we did not divide those pockets up, we could put our pattern in there. So that would be awesome. But I'm going to tell you about this pattern.
Look at it. It just
sits
so cute.
by itself. This is what it's doing it.
Cute.
I'm going to take it off. Look at. If you want to take this and wash it, if it needs to be washed.
Like you've got the dry erase marker on
Yeah, exactly. But
let's take that off just to be safe.
Okay. Yeah. But look at this. This opens up in the back, and it just fits over the wire.
Oh, and it fits nice and snug,
nice
so
and
it won't
snug. Won't
get wobbly.
Okay, so I made this. Yeah, you touch. I don't want to touch that. I made this in about 2-3 hours, start to finish. Never looked at it before, and I got it done. I did not stop and start and all that. I just got it done. What comes in this? This comes with the frame, the elastic that is on this right here, because there's an elastic.
Is it special elastic?
Nope.
What if I wanted to make 3 or 4? Okay.
Yeah, 1/4 inch elastic. But it comes, if you ordered the pattern.
Okay.
It comes in it. The frame, the elastic, and yeah. And the label. Did you see the cute label?
No.
You sew that in.
Oh, how cute.
Look at how cute that is.
Oh my gosh, it's a little trailer.
Yep, it is.
Oh, that's cute.
So it comes with those 3 things in there. As I was doing it, you know what it calls for?
What?
2 fat quarters. It's fat quarter week.
Fat quarter. Yep.
2 fat quarters.
Fat quarters are not a body part. Fat quarter.
Well, it is kind of.
Okay.
Okay, so I have yellow and I have this, the paisley. I love paisley.
Yes, I do too.
So you just got to decide where you want them. There's only 2 colors that you're working with. This one had the green and the orange or red, whatever they called it. So as I was reading it, and to do this.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but Donna's bringing a song to mind. Oklahoma, where the goes sweeping down the plain.
Is that where she's from?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sorry.
Remember, I was the enticing dancer in high school.
Oh, yeah. So why didn't you know that song?
No, I decided not to sing. Okay, so Chris asked me, Kyle, can you make this? And I went, but I had 5 days, and I put it off till one day. So I got it done. All I needed to add to this was 2 fat quarters and some stabilizer. So as you're reading through the instructions, I love the instructions. They did a great job with the instructions. There's 2 pages, a front and a back. See See that? And that's where you're starting. And it tells you pocket A and pocket B or whatever. Oh, yeah, you probably can't see that. Pocket A and pocket B. And then they've color coordinated it for you.
Oh, so one is one fat quarter and one is the
Right,
other?
right.
Okay.
So that's all you have to remember is which fat quarter is which. So I had yellow and pink, I called it. So whatever was in, I'm on the wrong side. Whatever was red was my pink. I think that's how I did it. So I just kept following that. And then I got,
Can I see these?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. All right.
It did step by step. I did not have to unpick. Just saying. Because I went through each step and followed it precisely.
So give us an example of some of the steps that you found a little tricky, but you followed them and they worked out perfect.
Okay. Well, I got a little bit confused at which pocket went where.
Okay.
And then I had to just go back. And for me to understand it, I read it out loud. Do you read the patterns out loud?
Yeah, sometimes.
Instructions? Yeah.
And
It just
sometimes
makes
I
more
have
sense.
to.
Yeah, it makes more sense when you read it out loud. I was a little confused because you have iron-on stabilizer.
Okay.
They don't have you iron it on when you first put it on.
What?
I know. I was like, this is dumb. This is dumb. I'm just going to iron it on. And I went, no, I'm going to follow the instructions. They knew what they were doing. It worked out because, let me get this off. I'm going to take all the things out. I want to show you something. This was really, really cool. So there's my stabilizer, but it made it so it made this seam hide because that's at the bottom. I didn't cut all my threads. Oops, did I drop a pin?
Yeah,
Sorry.
only on your own foot.
Oh, okay. No big deal then. So when they tell you to put the iron-on stabilizer.
Got it.
Oh, good. Good job. Good job. Now I don't have to cry. When they tell you to put the iron-on stabilizer, face the sticky side to the fabric side, you're going to be like, well, that does not, why am I using an iron-on stabilizer? Keep following the instructions because it makes sense. All of a sudden I went, oh, I get it. They aren't dumb. They knew what they were doing. They had great instructions. And what we were talking about earlier, if I did not sew all three of these pockets up here, and I just did it to about here, I could have put a pattern in there or something larger.
Cool.
So you can make it however many pockets you want, but I did it to the instructions. That we want you to know that it is doable, easy. One thing I would change on this is they had me cut some batting.
Okay. So that answers one of the questions.
Oh.
What is in the pin cushion?
Okay. They had me cut 1.5 inch by 5 inch batting pieces. As they said, 2 to 3. I would stuff it.
Stuff
I would
it full.
also put some
Okay.
walnut things in it. I just like
Unless
the way
you are nut allergic,
Oh,
then you could
yeah,
put sand.
Put sand. Yes. I just like a heavier, thicker, because this is pretty thin. I'm like, I'm not sticking my pins in. And you heard me earlier, put the pin in and I got my finger. Ow. Yeah. So that was my only thing is that I would make this thicker. Your
Sorry,
pin
could you
cushion.
say that again?
Oh, I would put, yeah, that was my watch. I hit it by accident. Sorry. Yeah. I didn't even push the button. So I would make my pin cushion heavier, thicker. I got done with it and went, I don't love it.
Okay.
But don't make it too thick because you've got to sew it shut.
Oh.
So that's my only thing. Don't make it too thick or heavy. Just so you can hold your pins.
Yeah, poly pellets would work great too.
Oh yeah.
But they're expensive, Kathy.
But I like
But if
I
you
like
buy
the
some, you
walnut
have them.
because it sharpens your pins.
Yes.
At least that's
Yes.
what I've heard. I believe everything I see on
Donna,
Facebook.
hang tight on that 5 pounds of ground walnut. We have maybe an option coming up for you on comments sold. Yeah, I have 5 pounds too at my desk. Remember you bought it for me?
That's right. That's right. Oh, it's lasted, huh? So those were my two big things. What?
Alice said, don't worry about this. Just use the pin cup.
Then they'll all be all over the floor, won't
Yes.
they?
Yep.
From what I saw.
Yep.
Yeah. So that was my
Deanna
only
wants to
thing.
know, what if you didn't have that? Would it stand up by itself?
No, watch this. Okay, you ready? Show
Well,
that. No,
okay.
no, it will not.
Okay. So you kind of need the stand.
Yes, the stand is what's so cool. Okay. And I like that it has a frame in the middle. So
Okay.
it's just not flopping all over. Oh, we didn't see that.
They didn't see it,
No.
actually,
No.
because the camera's not on it.
No. I'm trying to get it back on. I can't do it with
Yep.
one hand.
You can also use clear vinyl in the center. Then you can see what's in there.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, Alice,
would
that
be
is
fun.
a great idea. That would be really
Yeah.
fun.
So you notice that there's part of the frame in here. So it's just not loosey-goosey. It's pretty
Show me
sturdy.
that again.
Loosey-goosey.
Yeah, loosey-goosey. Okay.
Yeah. So my big thing was I would stuff the pin cushion a little bit more.
Okay.
And do follow the instructions for the iron-on stabilizer.
Okay. So here's another option.
What's that?
If you want to make another one, I wonder if it would fit in one of those plastic photo stands
Probably.
to hold it up.
Mm-hmm. I would try it.
Yeah.
You can always make it a little bit larger
Yes.
if it needs to be.
Okay.
Because we're creative like that, and we can. I can make that bigger.
All right.
But
So there's no tricks really that we need to tell you because we
Great.
brought the pattern in. We didn't come up with ourselves.
no,
But Debbie Brill, who, by the way, related to our cartoon because she's lost so much weight, nothing fits anymore. But Debbie wants to know what the measurements are of this.
Oh, okay. Let's see. 5.5 by 8.5.
So 5.5 by
5.5
8,
across.
8.5 long.
8.5 long. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Follow the instructions. Trust them.
Trust the instructions.
Yep. They did great instructions. I didn't have any troubles. I was like thinking they were just like out of their mind, but there was a reason.
Yes. Winona says that we haven't taught her how to enlarge things on her machine yet. I know. I don't know how either. We got to wait for Chris for that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Connie says she has made them with the plastic photo stands,
has
but
she?
it falls over.
Show them. Bring the thing down. This is not falling over. If I set that down like that, I have no fear that it'll fall over. Well, yeah, I'll fall over if you do that to me. But look at this. We also watch this. A pattern will sit right there too.
Oh,
Isn't that
that's
awesome?
cool. Yes, that is awesome.
Yeah. So I loved it. I'm so excited I got to make it. There are pleats in the bottom. Not hard. Not hard at
Okay.
all. Read the instructions just one step at a time.
That just scares me a little,
Nope,
but
it was. Here's the instructions on the
I
pleats.
found.
Right there. They do great drawings.
Oh, okay.
Great
Do you see how they're
drawings.
drawing that for you?
I would
Yes.
make something by these guys again.
Okay.
They did amazing.
Who made it?
Ooh.
So organized design.
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
Yep. Really fun.
Yes.
It only took me a couple hours, and I have a project done.
Okay. Well,
Mhm.
we're really fast today, guys.
We are.
Because we can't really sew it for you because of copyright infringement
yeah.
laws. But
But we wanted to give you a heads up about those two different things were the things that got me. I'm like, no.